how to change server in Grow A Garden Roblox. Here's what you want to do. Go to Google and search for BT Roblox. Click on BT Roblox here, the first website that pops up, and you want to add to Chrome. Click add extension, and now this should be added. Now we will go back to the Roblox website, refresh the page, and it's gonna look a little something like this. It's gonna be changed a little bit. Now we wanna search for Grow A Garden in experiences here, and we will just click on Grow A Garden. All right, now we will scroll down until we see the server list. And as you can see here, you will be able to see the private servers. If you keep scrolling down, you will see other servers as well. You want to find other servers. Now we will click on number of players ascending. And as you can see here, you can change to whichever server you want. You will just click on join, and this is going to open up the Roblox game client, and that's how you change your server. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.